Why do we abandon things? Simply because it is not our priority. Siguro sa Tagalog, medyo mas malalim yung dahilan o di kaya ay mas nakakabagabag yung pwede nating maging dahilan. Dahil nagsasantabi tayo ng mga bagay-bagay dahil sa tingin natin hindi ito mahalaga. At kapag isinantabi natin ang isang bagay dahil pakiramdam natin hindi ito mahalaga, malaki din ang tsansa, malaki din ang pagkakataon na pwede natin itong makalimutan. Sasabihin natin, mamaya ko na lang gagawin yan, hindi naman kinakailangan agad-agad. Yung kakamamaya natin, nakalimutan na natin gawin. And looking at our readings, we also see two kinds or two pictures of abandonment. In our first reading, we see the people of Israel abandoning God. And the moment that they abandoned God, everything crumbled. They saw that God was not their priority. And the moment that they saw that God was not their priority, they made themselves their own God. Kapag nakalimutan natin ang Diyos, kapag isinantabi natin ang Diyos, dahil pakiramdam natin, mas marami pa tayong kailangan gawin, mas marami pang mga bagay na mas importante natin kailangang tapusin, everything crumbles because we make ourselves our own gods. And when we make ourselves our own gods, then we lose that direction, we lose sight of God. When we look at our gospel, we also see another picture of abandonment. Not because the crowds was not a priority for Jesus, but because he saw the lack of shepherds. He saw the lack that the people are looking for. Hindi dahil hindi mahalaga yung mga tao, pero kulang yung tumutugon. Dahil sa kulang sa pagtugon, ibig sabihin, hindi rin nila nakikita kung gaano kahalaga yung maging pastol para sa iba. And that is also the grace that we could also ask for ourselves for this day. What are the things that we choose to abandon? Are those things really a less priority for ourselves? Or hopefully, we also do not abandon God. And when we look at ourselves, do we also look at how we abandon things and we try to prioritize what is more important so that we could also be a shepherd for other people? Dahil kapag nagiging pastol din tayo para sa iba, nakikita din nating mahalaga din yung ating mga kasama. Mahalaga din yung pinipili natin yung mga kasama natin. Mahalaga din na nabubuhay at napapahalagahan din natin yung paglalakbay natin patungo sa Diyos.